Welcome to our workshop on the professional version of Sharpen video number 1. I'll start by opening a video so we can see the interface of the program right away. You're already familiar with the timeline from our video on the video interface. And the professional version of the program Sharpen video number 1 can be divided into two main areas. On the left side, we have presettings, also called presets, which you can use to make creative presettings, such as brilliant, smooth surfaces, fine details, in short, photographic and artistic presetting for video. Yeah. And everything located here on the right side relates to image sharpening or video sharpening. And this area is divided into 7 categories. Here at the beginning, we have all the sharpening presettings, and camera shake and blurring correction, haze and fog correction, general image sharpness, portrait, landscape, and artwork. You can use an automatic setting in each of these categories. I'll select category number 2 for blurring correction and say set automatically. Then the program sharpens the current image. Let's zoom in a bit and take a look. If I hold down, if I hold down the right mouse button, which I'm doing now, we can see the original image, which is the current shot in the video. And if I release the button again, I can see my sharpened result. You can find the presetting that you made here using the automatic function in the sharpening parameters, and you can change it now. For instance, you can tell the program the sharpening was a bit too intense and you want to reduce it a bit, or you can make it even stronger and increase the radius, which is to say the area around each pixel that is searched for blurring. You can make fine adjustments to the quality of the calculation and the fineness of the calculation, which takes place in different numbers of steps. It is a so-called iterative algorithm that performs calculations in several successive steps, as well as denoising, which is always part of the process, of course. A little further down, you can see the blurring display. Before I show you that, let's go to the global quality modes area one more time for the blurring correction. First, you have the mode balanced, followed by Pro, Pro Plus, and Pro Infinity. Each higher mode always requires considerably more calculation time, but calculates much more precisely. We'll leave that in view, and I'll switch to Pro Plus mode. Then the program issues a warning message, which you need to confirm, because the calculation really can take a long time now. We'll confirm it. And the process is relatively quick for this small image. We can see it's become quite a bit sharper again. And if we look at the blurring display in this mode, I'll open the comparison window and juxtapose the two blurring displays. We see the blurring display for the original image on the left side. We also see there's a great deal of blurring in the area around 1 pixel, meaning the video is quite blurry. And on the other side, on the right, we see the blurring display for the result image after the blurring correction, and it's much smaller. That means it contains much less blurring. And now you might think, yeah, but there still is blurring. If we were to sharpen it to the mathematical maximum, we would have 1 white pixel here in the middle and no blurring at all in the image. But the image wouldn't look good. It would be terribly over-sharpened. That's why the automatic function here at the top always tries to find a balanced result using video material input. While the video performs its calculation, this display, and thus the analysis, also change continually. This means every image is analyzed individually. And a little bit further down, we can see the photographic settings, where you can reduce haze and fog, for example, and give the image a bit more color. Yeah, maybe that was too much. You can increase the brightness a bit if you like. We apply that by double-clicking and then press down the right mouse button. We see the original image. And then that is the sharpened and photographically processed result image. For the sake of speed, I'll reset that to balanced mode and show you again how you can calculate a video with all the settings you have made. All you have to do is press render video. The program asks for a destination directory and we'll tell it to save the video. Now we just have to wait until the calculation is done and do that. And as soon as you have completely calculated the results, you can view the result right here in the program. At the end, we just have to wait finish. Yeah. Then the button is immediately activated here at the bottom of the video interface, the one that shows me the result video, which is to say the result video I calculated most recently. Take a quick look at that. Then we have our sharpened video with corrected brilliance and colors. I hope you have fun testing out these options and hope we meet up again soon for the next video.